Good afternoon, Tweety. Say good afternoon, everyone. My name is Tweety. Hi, everyone. This is Disheng. We are outside in the backyard. I took my birds out. This is Tweety. Tweety, good girl. And that is Bougie. Bougie is so cute. It's so little. And and Pucci. That's Pucci. Pucci doesn't behave. See? Bougie, you wanna take a shower? Come and take a shower. Take a shower, Tweety. Tweety, want to take a shower? It's Tweety wants to come out, but Tweety cannot come out because I did not cut their wings. But Bougie is cut and Pucci, so they're allowed to come out because they cannot fly. Come, Bougie, come and take a shower. Come take a shower. Come take a shower. Take a shower. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy. No biting. No fighting. You kiss, kiss. See, that's Bougie. Bougie is so cute. He has a nice color. Oh. Go take a shower. Come on, take a shower. Take a shower. Take a shower now. Oh, poor Tweety, I cannot go out. Tweety cannot go out because he's gonna fly away. So you stay there, Tweety, okay? Good girl, Tweety. Look at Tweety. Poor Tweety. She cannot go out because she's gonna fly away. And those two, Bougie and Pucci, are enjoying outside. Tweety? Tweety? You a good girl? Oh.
Stupid.
Let's go inside now. We're going inside. That's enough for tonight. We have to go and cook dinner.
Go, let him drink.
Huh?
She wants a drink.
She wants a drink?
The blue one, I think.
Look at the beautiful tree. Okay guys, I'm going inside with the birds. I have to clean my garden and I have to plant some vegetables. That's the only plants that survive in the winter, the oregano, kale, and the garlic and the parsley and my grapes. I planted grapes, so I hope it's gonna be good. Okay, this is my lilac, guys. It's already big. You cannot really see it's there. Smell good. This is lilac, this is double lilac. Oh, look at this, so cute. Look, so cute. And it smells good. Tulips. It's a lot of work. See, I cleaned this up because look at the neighbor. It's all weeds. That's why all the weeds coming into my backyard. Nobody cleans. It's a lot of work to have a big backyard. We cut the grass. We cut the grass 3 times because they're tall. Because you know it rains a lot. And look at this. And I have another cherry tree in here. So this is the seeds. Well, my cherry tree is looking good. I hope we have lots of cherries this year. Look at this. It's still flowers. Oh, there's a bug. What is that bug? Oh, ladybug. Oof, is it a ladybug? I still have lots of things to do here. Still have a lot of weeds to clean up. This one, those are weeds. I'm not done yet, guys. And look at the tulips. They're pretty. And this is a peony. Look at the other kind of tulips. They're pretty. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is the backyard, but we're not done cleaning up. Maybe tomorrow again. Okie doke. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.